Good day everyone, Alan here from Yorkton Kia. Hey, I just want to discuss this Total Care Complete Maintenance Package from Kia. They just released this as part of Kianomics for this fall season. This package includes oil and filter charge using Kia genuine parts, check and top up all the fluids. We can do up to 58-point inspection, and you can also have vehicle inspection report. Now, we can do tire rotation as part of this package, or if you have a set of tires, winter tires on rims, instead of doing tire rotation, we can switch it over to your winter tires if that is on rims. Now, if your tires are off rims, that'll be different charges. With this package, we can also check your battery free of charge. We wanted to make sure everything is good and reliable before winter. And if we found that you need new set of brakes, we can give you 15% off on brake pads and rotors on the part side if you need a new set of brakes. So if you have any questions with these promotions, give us a call at 306-783-2772, or simply visit us at 134 Broadway Street East, and we're happy to see you here.